Many people think seasonal allergies are just about a little sneezing. But allergies can actually cause much more, like fatigue, asthma flare-ups, and a lot of unexpected discomfort. A common belief is that you have to be born with allergies or you will never get them. The truth is, you can develop allergies at any age, even as an adult. Many also assume that just taking antihistamines is enough to manage symptoms. People often take over-the-counter meds, but still feel miserable because they don't know what they're actually allergic to. Getting tested through skin tests or consultations can completely change how allergies are managed. Knowing the exact triggers helps people breathe easier and manage symptoms much better. So if allergies are holding you back, don't settle for quick fixes. Getting properly tested can make a huge difference. Talk to our board-certified allergists for treatment and better management.